If you're working on speech and language skills with a child, whether as a speech language professional, a parent, or a teacher, you know that one off activities can only get you so far. Real progress comes from a structured approach where each step builds off of the last one. That's exactly what the Therapy Plan Library in the Speech and Language Kids Hub is all about. We have step by step therapy plans that will take you from start to finish and show you exactly how to teach one speech and language skill at a time until they have mastered that skill. Inside, you'll find step by step therapy plans that walk you through the entire therapy process for each skill. No more guessing what to do next. These plans aren't just one off activities, they're complete roadmaps guiding you from the first session all the way to mastery. And to make the therapy and the practice part more fun, you can use our session builder tools that will help you create custom word lists, custom images, reading passages, social scenarios, and activity ideas on the spot. Plus, you'll have expert support on our discussion board and on our live weekly and monthly events. And you'll have access to our evaluation resources, our courses, and our information on helping you figure out ways to streamline and simplify your therapy process. Here's how it works. Grab the therapy plan for the skill you need to work on and put it inside the student's folder. In therapy, you'll start with the first page, which is the first phase for that therapy plan. You'll work on this sheet, and then to keep the session fun and engaging and continue the practice, you'll use our session builder tools to create word lists and sentences and paragraphs and anything else you need to help you practice. You keep practicing this phase over and over until they get it. Then you move on to the next phase in therapy and you repeat the process over again until you get through all of the phases. If you're tired of scrambling for activities and you want a simple, effective way to run your sessions, then join us inside the Speech and Language Kids Hub today. You'll get instant access to everything and you can cancel at any time. Click the Join Now button. I can't wait to help you simplify your therapy planning.